Okay, the next conference is with Ariel. We are bringing her in because she hadn't paid her dues by the deadline. Whitney, can you bring us up to speed?
Yes, according to the list I received today, Ariel paid her $600 dues in full yesterday.
If she already paid her dues, do we still need to meet with her?
I think it's important that we hold our members accountable for the deadlines. We have a social event tomorrow, and our dues are needed to pay for that event.
I agree that we should still meet with her as we've already sent her an invitation to attend. Whitney, will you grab her? Hello, Ariel. Thank you for taking the time to come in tonight. Do you know why we've asked to meet with you?
No, I'm not sure why I'm here.
We received a report from the treasurer that you didn't pay your dues until yesterday, which was 2 weeks past the due date. Can you tell us why you didn't pay them on time?
I got the invoice over winter break, but I just kept forgetting to pay.
I know that the treasurer sent out a few reminder emails between when the invoice was sent and the due date. Did you receive those?
Yes, but I was never able to pay when the emails came through. I did pay yesterday though.
While we're really glad you paid your dues yesterday, you did sign the member commitment statement, which we have a copy of here. You can see that one of the items you agreed to is to meet your financial obligations promptly.
I guess I just didn't really realize how big of a deal it was since everyone else would be paying.
While ideally that would be true, we have a social tomorrow and we need everyone paying their dues on time to make sure that we could afford it. Ariel, do you mind stepping outside for a minute so that we can consider all that you've said in the meeting and then we'll come get you once the committee is done discussing?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay, does anyone have anything they want to say before we vote?
I think that 15 days is more than enough time to pay your dues. We all know the due date and there are plenty of reminders sent out.
I agree, but I do think we need to take into account the fact that she has since paid her dues.
Okay, let's take a vote. All those in favor of a warning, please say Kappa.
Kappa.
All opposed, please say Gamma. All right, everyone voted on a warning. We'll use it to remind Ariel that our rules are there for a reason and she needs to pay her dues on time next semester. Whitney, will you grab her? Thank you so much for waiting outside for us. We have discussed and voted to give you a warning of probation. It's really important that you remember we have rules and deadlines for a reason and that you're expected to follow them. If you continue to miss the deadline for your dues, then the committee will need to consider probation as the next option.
I understand.
Thank you. Will you please sign this form documenting your warning? You'll see there's no time frame or terms assigned. I'll make sure you get a copy of this form after the meeting. Also, please remember that this meeting is confidential and should not be discussed with anyone else.
Okay, thanks.